Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vijita Rajkumar online classes. Today I would like to discuss about the 70% syllabus as well 30% deleted content and important questions as well as the model question paper in the course of the computer science and paper 3. Okay, so let me see the one by one. You know very well about the we have finished the first GFC English as well as the your first year computer fundamentals and MS Office and programming C also. So now we are tomorrow 31st or Sunday you are going to write the third paper. That is the paper 3 accountancy and tally. So today I am going to discuss about the 30% deleted, 70% syllabus, model question paper in the paper of the accountancy and tally. So this is the computer science first year paper 3 accountants and tally. So how many units are there in this? 10 units will be there. If you see the introduction to accountancy, double entry system, journal, ledger, subsidiary books, cash book, general proper, trial balance and rectification, final accounts and tally package. So in this if you see the overall a weightage of the marks. So based on that you have to thorough with the units. Okay, so here the introduction to accountants are very important anyhow. So here the carries in 8 marks will be there. Double entry system also important unit, you may carry them. So this unit if you study this first and second unit, you may get the 8 plus 8 16 marks. And ledger in general unit you may that not that much important, 2 marks questions it may come. Okay, and subsidiary books also very important. Ledger books. Okay, ledger books. Okay, ledger books, introduction to account is important, double entry system also important, ledger books important, subsidiary books important, cash books, journal proper. So not general, the two must not that much important. Final accounts and tally package and trial balance rectification. So almost all the units are very important. Okay, so except general 2 marks questions will be the journal proper also 2 marks weightage will be there. So remaining, so in accountancy and tally overall 10 units will be there. In 10 units also 8 units are very important units only. Okay, only 2 like a general proper. So those units carry the only 2 plus 2 4 marks weightage will be there. Okay, so let me see the a syllabus. In the already how many units are there? I told no 10 units will be there in accountancy and tally for the computer science first year students. This is a third paper. Introduction. So these are the deleted content. Okay, so this accounting conventions no need to read. Okay, and second unit a double entry system. Now this is a very important. First a bookkeeping versus accountancy. You have to know the accountancy definition. Use of the accountancy is important. Okay, accounting concepts. Okay, you have to know the definition of the accountancy uses and concepts of the accountancy very important. Sometimes they ask terminology is nothing but the term study about the terms. You have to know the all the computer. So in some of the computer systems we have different terms. Mouse means what is the purpose of the mouse. So different will be there, and this time giving not that one. Okay, so here the no need of read accountancy. And next double entry system also meaning theory of double entry system, classification of accounts, advantage of the double entry system. Okay, this is the advantage of the double system is an important one, not deleted content. Okay, in first unit only accounting convention is deleted, second unit everything you have to read, third unit only this is the unit is only 2 marks per person is important. The fourth ledger, in ledgers are also very important. Ledger posting, ledger means what, ledger posting means what, advantages of the ledger. So this question is related, so no need of read. Next 50 unit subsidiary books. In subsidiary books, every the total units you have to read. Okay, this also you make the 8 marks weightage will be there from this unit. Next cash book also, so very important. So wherever like a IT system and wherever you go in bank, so wherever you go, the cash book is very important. You have to know the meaning of the cash book, kinds of the cash books, types of the cash books, discounts, different will be there. No, you have to know the you have to thorough with the total cash book syllabus. Next journal proper. So this unit is not that much important. You may have the this the third unit as well as the seventh unit. Only 2 marks weightage will be there, not that much important. Okay, next coming the trial balance and rectification. Rectification also important. Okay, trial and error methods, these are all the things are eighth. This is also important question. It's clear. Okay, next coming to the ninth, final accounts. Final accounts also very important question. You have to cover with all the nothing is related. You have to read all those units. Next, last tally, introduction to tally package. This is separate. So up to first to 9 units only accountancy will be there, but except 10th unit introduction to tally package. So that is the reason you have to cover with all the terminology of the tally. Okay, like analysis, display reports, financial functions, cash flow statements, everything you have to know. It's clear. Okay. So next coming to the so separately you have to see the paper 3 accountancy and tally deleted questions in this paper 3 for the computer science first year students. So what I told, like 10 units will be there in the first unit, introduction to accountancy, accounting conventions, rules for debit, credit, and so this topic is deleted, so no need to read this one. Okay, next come the second unit 2, nothing is deleted, everything second unit everything you have to read. Ledger, balancing of accounts is deleted, no need to read. Okay, next coming to the fourth unit. So in fourth unit you have to so in the debit credit notes deleted. Next, cash book, 3 column cash book problems and petty cash book is deleted. Okay, in 16th unit you have to read totally, nothing is deleted. And 7th unit preparation of profit and loss account balance sheet is deleted, no need of read. Okay, next coming to the 8th unit. 8th unit tally, ratio analysis, cash flow, funds flow, and everything is deleted. It's clear. So these are all some of the, here they mentioned you have to know the tally. In tally, ratio analysis, cash flow, funds flow is deleted. In final accounts, preparation of profit and loss account, balance sheet is deleted. Trial balance, nothing is deleted. In that unit, you have to read cash book unit, 3 column cash book problems and petty cash book, and fourth one subsidiary books, debit and credit cards deleted. Okay, nil balancing of accounts is deleted. So this so based on these topics only they are preparing the 2 marks questions and 6 marks questions, isn't it? So that is the reason when you are reading the questions you have to go through this. If you get this while reading the lessons, if you get these questions, no need to read, you can avoid and you can go for the other important questions. If you go for the important questions you may get the like a nice explanation when you're it may be useful for the writing the examination. Is clear? Okay, next one I will show the model paper. So this is the model paper for you people. So section A, 2 marks question. Section B, 6 marks question. What is accountancy? Assets, liabilities, pro forma for journal, ledger, sales book, cash book, end contra entry, trial balance, closing stock functions, keys, and used in tally. So these are 2 marks questions. So next coming to the section B, each question carries 6 marks. You have to attempt 25 questions here. Okay, here the section B, 6 marks questions will be there. Like a 5 you have to attempt. Each question carries 6 marks. So what are the accounting concepts? Explain some of them. Okay, explain in brief: debtor, ledger, an account, business entity, concept, assets and liabilities, and nominal account. Next 13, generalize the following transactions and post them in ledger accounts. These are all the things you have to write it. I don't know. Okay, anyhow you are the subject students know, you know very well about this is all the things. I don't know about this accountancy and tally. Even the you are requested, that's the reason I have posted this video for you people. So 14th one is the what transactions are entered in the purchase and purchases return books. Okay, and enter the following transactions in the sales book and post them in the ledger account. Next, describe the importance of the cash book. 17, enter the following transactions in cash book and prepare the bank account and find its balance. Okay, so once again I'm showing the essay type questions. See here. Next, continuation of the 17th question. Next, prepare trial balance from the following balances. Okay, you read here the 17th question continuation. The 18th question. Prepare trial balance from the following balances. 19th question, what are the final accounts, why and how they are prepared? Write the procedure to create company in Tally. So this is the some of the important questions, 70% syllabus, certificate related content and model question paper in the subject of the paper 3 accountancy and tally for the computer science first year students. Okay, I hope this one is maybe helpful when you are reading the questions for preparing the examination. I hope this one is helpful. I hope you may understood, you may benefited by watching my channel. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. All the best once again.